Today's featured car of the day is a 1964 Pontiac GTO convertible with a 389 with the tri-power and a 4-speed transmission. And this one sold at my local classic car auction in Palm Springs, California for $41,000. And this car looks like it was restored. The paint was newer. Everything seemed like it was maybe an older restoration, but all the chrome was done and the trim was definitely done recently, except for the rear tail light piece, which they don't reproduce. So that one with the pocket metal is hard to redo. So those are usually not in the greatest of shape on these, unless you can find one on a wreck car or something, which those are hard to find anyway. But 1964 is the first year for the GTO. And production number wise, they made a total of 32,450 GTOs in 1964. And out of that, 6,644 were convertibles. And they had two-door hardtops, 18,422. The post coupes, 7,384. And that takes you to 32,450 total. As far as the engines went, the 4-barrel, the 389 with the 4-barrel, 24,205 of the 32,450 had the 389 4-barrel engine. And then 8,245 had the 389 with the tri-power, which is what this guy is. So that's roughly about 25% of the total production had the tri-power. So that would be about 1,500 and some odd convertibles had the tri-power. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.